All right, so we're here at Bonnieview Avenue in Lakewood, Ohio. Got another NS Cleveland District crossing right here. Here's the northern signal. It's got a Safetran base, Safetran gate mechanism. There's the emergency information out there. As you can see, the dot number is 472-218W. 2 pairs of Safetran 12 by 20 inch lights. Here's a better view. NEG gate lights, of course. And right up there we got a General Signals electronic bell. I don't know what type, but if I'd have to guess, it's probably a type 1. Let's go ahead and head over to the southern signal. Here's the I'm gonna zoom out. Here's the southern signal. It also has a Safetran base, Safetran gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information again, and it's got more Safetran 12 by 20 inch lights. 2 pairs, of course. NEG gate lights. Then there's the relay case located on the northwest quadrant of the crossing. This crossing's located on the NS Cleveland District. This place looking east towards Cleveland. The next crossing down there is Edwards Avenue. This way's looking west towards Rocky River, Bay Village, Avon Lake, Sheffield Lake, Lorraine, Bellevue, and then that next crossing right down there is Granger Avenue. I just heard transmission over the scanner. Now we could have a train coming. All right, I think we could have a train coming, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'll get it up this crossing. All right, this is Bonnieview Avenue in Lakewood, Ohio. Out.